what's the difference between draft page and a published page? This is a DIY website admin panel, and I will enter into one of my pages. So this is the home page of the website, and on top I have save as draft, but I also have publish. Save as draft is in the cases where you're in the middle of the change, but the page is not complete. So you can save it and make it visible to all the admins with the new changes, but not visible for the end user. Imagine that I'm typing something here, but suddenly I have to do something else. I have to do some other job. So I'm not finished with my page. Then I will save it as draft. So if I refresh, my changes are here. But the end user is still seeing the other page without the changes. Now, let's say that I want to make that page publicly available. Instead of save as draft, I will use the publish the page button and OK. Then the page is publicly available, and if I go to the website and this is the live page and I refresh, I can see the changes there.